In this problem, we have a piecewise function, and we want to find the value of c, and we'll notice c is tucked into our function right here, so that the limit exists as x goes to 2 of this particular function. All right, so we'll notice that everything is broken up right around 2. So in order for the limit to exist at 2, we need to make sure that these two pieces of the function stitch together very nicely. That means that we have to look at the limit as x goes to 2 from the right-hand side and the limit as x goes to 2 of the left-hand side of our function, and make sure that they go to the same place. All right, so starting off from the right-hand side, we're looking for when g of x is coming in, and we're looking at numbers that are slightly bigger than 2, which means that this part of the function is looking at 4 minus 1/2 x. And when we punch in 2 for our value of x, we end up with 4 minus 1, so in other words, 3. So coming in from the right-hand side, our function g of x goes to the number 3. From the left-hand side, however, this is where our function was split up, and on our bottom part, we ended up looking at x plus c, which means that when x goes to 2 from the left, our function ends up at square root of 2 plus c. We have two different places, and we want to make sure these are the same place. So what we're going to do to make sure that we have a limit there is we are going to set these two numbers equal to each other, or these two expressions, and solve for c. So we have square root of 2 plus c is equal to 3. Let's start by squaring both sides. This is going to give us 2 plus c is equal to 9. And we'll subtract 2 from both sides. C is equal to 7. And there's our solution. If c is equal to 7, then our two functions are going to meet, and our limit as x goes to 2 will exist. Thanks for listening.